in this video we will see how maps can be downloaded and used offline with EAM360 to access assets in the remote locations. Select the ArcMap option from the side menu. Pick the Generate Offline Map action. Mark the specific area in the map that needs to be downloaded and click Select. Confirm the action by choosing Generate Offline Map option to start downloading the selected area. The values in all the layers, including assets, locations, work orders, service requests, and service addresses within the selected region will be downloaded. Once downloaded, you can proceed to use the offline map to select a location and create work order for the same. Once work order is generated by providing all the mandatory information, you will return to the map screen for further actioning. For more information, please schedule a demo with us at EAM360.com.